Crestani Super Affiliate System Review. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my Crestani Super Affiliate System review demo and $6,000 bonus to it. Now guys, I'm going to review it for you, and I also add my own coaching as a bonus to Crestani Super Affiliate System. Okay, so guys, I've never given away my own coaching as a bonus. I normally sell it on webinars for $500 a pop. Now you will get it for free if you will decide to pick up Crestani Super Affiliate System through my link. That's how much I want you to get it, because it will get you results. Okay, so I went through the course and I'm going to review it for you right now. Now before we are going to review it, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Right now let's jump into this Super Affiliate System review. Guys, you can pause this video at any moment, click on the first link in the description, and it will take you to my blog. Now if you will click on one of these blue links, these are my affiliate links. This is if you want to pick up your copy of Super Affiliate System. Okay, so if you will pick it up from my link, again, you will get all of the amazing bonuses I will mention in just a couple of minutes. And the biggest bonus is the lucrative affiliate YouTube secrets coaching program. Okay, so again guys, I normally sell it, I never give it away. I never give it away as a bonus. It will be yours for free. And again, this is my own coaching, and all you have to do to get it is just click on one of these blue links if you are on my blog. Okay, so with that being said, let's check out the sales page. And there are actually a couple of different sales pages. Okay, so sometimes you will see this squeeze page where you sign up for free training and you will be presented with a webinar, so you can get the system on a webinar. Or I actually found this sales page with some more information, and this is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so as you can see, it says Crestani, hurry, build an online business and unlock more freedom and stability in your life for the best price ever. You can click on one of these buttons right here to get in. So Super Affiliate System Pro, that's the name of this product, and essentially he just mentioned what is included right here on this page. So we have the method, so how to find people to sell products to, place where to sell your products, a product, what you're going to sell. We have VIP support. He mentions exactly what is included. We have some bonuses. So we have how many? We have 8 fast action bonuses right here, including a call with Crestani. And by the way, you're getting my bonuses on top of it. Okay, so you can check all of this out. It has the value $27,000. We have some testimonials, and the cool thing from the testimonials right here is that these are his actual students that are making money, and I know that these are real because I actually found one of my friends in these testimonials. I'm going to show you that in a second as well. We have a 100% money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk on your part. That's essentially it. You can go through more testimonials and more proof. Guys, go through all of this if you want to. You have all the information right here. Let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so this is what you will see once you're gonna get your login. Okay, so this is the general members area. As you can see, we can access all of the products right here. So we have Super Affiliate System right here. Before I'm going to click on let's get started, I just wanted to show you the rest. So we have some more testimonials right here, and we have on top, as you can see, courses. So the Super Affiliate System, the one that I got. Events, so weekly training, you will actually be added to his list where he gives you weekly live training on webinars. So that's an amazing bonus. We have all the bonuses right here. We have resources, we have community, and we have your account. So we have support, courses notes, your courses, your profile, members, changing your password, etc. Okay, so this is the general members area. Once you're going to click on let's get started, it will take you to this members area. Okay, so this is where all the training is. So again, the cool thing is that a part of all the video training showing you exactly how to make money, he will include the live weekly training, and he adds a bunch of additional resources like, as you can see, the worksheets, like syllabus, a bunch of different things that is extra that you normally don't get from these courses. So we have this first video right here, getting started. As you can see, all the videos are right here on the right. We have 14 modules. Okay, so we have affiliate networks, sales funnels and websites, solo ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, social media ads, finding effective ads, creating great ads, analytics and split testing, planning your strategy, accelerating your outcomes, troubleshooting, scaling your business, and wrap up and next step. So guys, normally when you get a course for, you know, whatever, $27, $50, $100, it will normally talk about one of these things. So maybe you will get a course on solo ads or Google ads or YouTube ads. This will be separate courses you would have to pay for separately. The cool thing is that everything is included. So this is a blueprint to how to run a full-time online business, making thousands of dollars per month. Okay, so this is a complete strategy. You don't need anything else apart of a super affiliate system. Okay, so this is what I like about it. I remember when I was a newbie, I was sort of jumping from course to course. I didn't know what I was supposed to do. When I was supposed to do Facebook or YouTube or Kindle, or, you know, I tried a bunch of different things. It was until I got the course that was a complete course. I remember it was called .com Secrets X back in 2012. It was a complete course showing me exactly what to do, how to start a website, how to do SEO, how to do solo ads, how to, you know, do email marketing. So this is exactly what you're getting here, a complete course and a complete system. So you will not need anything else. You will not need another traffic software or a traffic course. Everything is included right here. So guys, as you can see, again, we have the downloads, the worksheets, and the cool thing is that in the end of each module you have, you know, you can leave a comment. You can actually talk to other people that leave comments. So this creates a community. And he also adds a quiz in the end of each module that actually shows you if you understood what was presented. Okay, so you're gonna answer a few questions just to make sure that you actually understand the whole method, the whole module. And if you didn't understand it, if you didn't get enough points, you can rewatch it and just make sure that you actually watch it and integrate it, and just sort of, you know, skim through it and not really take in what John is teaching. So guys, that's essentially it. Again, this is a complete system, so you will not need anything else. You have all of these different traffic sources. You have you know, how to start a funnel and a website, and how to scale your business, how to brand yourself, how to create your whole strategy. So I really like it, because again, I know that this is something that will make you money, that will create a full-time online business for you, making you thousands of dollars. And me myself, I went from a newbie to actually making thousands of dollars per month with a very similar system that I actually got on ClickBank as well. So this is the inside of the members area. I wanted to show you another thing right here. So we have some testimonials, and actually I was scrolling through these testimonials and I saw Jonas right here. So, you know, sometimes you go through these sales pages, you're not really sure if these testimonials are real or not. I actually know Jonas in person, so I just wanted to show you a photo. So this is me and Jonas back in, I believe, 2016, 2017. He lives in Sweden. I went to Stockholm just to visit Stockholm, and we met in person. So I know him in person. I know him, you know, we talk on Facebook or Skype very often. So when I saw his testimonials, I was like, yes, okay, I know that he makes money online, and he actually got a ton of value from John's course. Okay, so I know that these testimonials are real, and people actually even show you know, different chats, and they show their results, etc. So guys, this stuff works, and you can be one of these success stories if you want to. Now guys, let me show you my bonus I have in store for you. So again, all you have to do to get my bonus is just pick up Super Affiliate System through my link. If you want to pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links if you are on my blog. If you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page. So guys, again, for the first time ever, I will be giving away the lucrative affiliate YouTube secrets, my own coaching program. You're gonna get it for free. This alone is $500. Okay, I will also give you free custom-made bonuses. These are 3 different ways to generate more traffic, more free traffic. So definitely great. You will make more money with it. Next up, I have additional software for you. So you have Affiliate Warrior software, Affiliate Promo Machine software, Extreme Affiliate Page software, Flipping Magic Pro software, and a bunch of additional Values of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, including Flip Me, Income Booster, Arbitrage Sugar Daddy, Make $4.97 over and over again, Affiliate Rebirth, Tidal Wave Traffic, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, additional plugins including Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, Show to a Call to Action, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, Courses plugin, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Agent Press, Phazon, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, and VidBot. Guys, on top of all of these amazing bonuses, well over 60 bonuses, you will get my mega bonus, which is 116 values of the day and product of the day awarded products. This means that you're getting almost 200 bonuses, and all of these are worth $5,997, so almost $6,000. And again, the main bonus that I'm super excited for you for is the lucrative affiliate YouTube secrets coaching program. You're gonna get it for free, guys. Again, to pick it up through my link, just click on one of these blue links. If you are on my blog, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell. Again, if you have any questions or if you want to just say hi, leave me a comment, and pick up your copy of Super Affiliate System, because it really works, and I really love it, because I know that it will take you from a beginner to actually making money. So that was my Super Affiliate System review by John Crestani. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.